Okay, kids, we're going to start today's lesson on drawing conclusions. What I'd like you to do is to hit pause on the recorder, take a minute, get these things copied down in your notebook, and then we'll talk about them when you turn the recorder back on. So just hit pause and get this stuff copied down. It should take you a minute or two. Okay, drawing conclusions, which is in section 2.3 of our text, is an excellent way. This is an excellent exercise in getting kids to learn how to practice to draw a conclusion based on something that's given. We've already done this in class. We've done exercises where I've said to the class, if today is Friday, then, and I ask you to draw a conclusion from that. Some students would say, then tomorrow is Saturday. Some students would say, then yesterday was Thursday. And so you're learning how to take a piece of information and to draw from it and be able to state things that we hope to be able to eventually prove. Looking at some of these, and these should be pretty familiar to you. If you are given in a problem that you have perpendicular lines, you should be able to state that you have right angles. If you are given in a problem that an angle is a right angle, you could be able to state that you have complementary angles forming that right angle. If you are given a point as a midpoint of a segment, you should be able to state that you have congruent segments. And if you are given that an angle is being bisected, or that a ray is a bisector of an angle, you should be able to state that you have congruent angles. These are some of the things that we've worked on. Of course, you have plenty of theorems and postulates and definitions. Let's look at a problem from your homework assignment when you come back to school and look at what you're going to be doing in your next class. So I'm going to clear this off. And again, feel free to stop the video, rewind it back if there's something you want to hear again or something that you want to see again. Feel free to do that. You can always go back and watch it a second time or watch parts of it. This is problem number 6 from the assignment you're going to do when you come back. The assignment when you come back is on pages 74 and 75. We're going to do 1 through 11, but we're only going to prove the odd numbered problems. The even numbered problems, such as this problem, problem number 6, all they're asking you to do is to state a conclusion based on the given information. If you look at the picture and look at the given, they're telling you that A and R trisect segment CD. Well, we have to think about this. What do trisectors do? What do points do that are trisecting a segment? That's right. They are dividing the segment into 3 congruent segments. And so if you were given this piece of information, you should be able to prove that segment CA is congruent to segment AR, which is congruent to segment RD. That's what you should be able to state with this given information. And that's how we're going to do the even number problems. The even numbers, we're just going to copy down the problem and we're going to look at the given, and together, orally, possibly in class up at the board, we're going to write down what we can conclude. The odd numbered problems from 1 to 11, we're going to actually finish the problem and do the proof. Most of these problems are only 2 or 3 step proofs. So that's what we're doing in our next class. Again, I hope you got the notes okay, and I hope you're able to see the video okay. If you weren't able to see it real well or things weren't clear, grab a tutorial pass and come in and I'll help get you caught up to speed. Have a great day. We'll see you in class next time.